So welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant guys. Once again, today's video is going to be very interesting. Today's topic is going to be that how much can you earn from Merchant Navy in next 10 years. Means if you are there in Merchant Navy for 10 years, if you can, then how much you can earn. Okay, so this video will be upon some conditions I will tell you, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So this video is going to be an average calculation based on standard salary as well as today's dollar rate. It might increase or maybe decrease, and even there might be cutout in salary or maybe increment in the salary. So what I'm telling, obviously as per today's aspect. Okay, so that is the condition. Another condition I will tell you while calculating. So let's start with the cadet. So the what I am telling, cadet I will take DNS cadet. Okay, because BSc you have to sell for 12 months and DNS cadet 18 months. So I'll go with the DNS cadet. So you can calculate and deduct 6 months from your selling time if you are a BSc cadet. So, and obviously I'll add the leave also. So 9 months first contract, assuming $500. Okay, today's rate is 72.92. I will take 70, and obviously 9 months, so it comes 3.28 lakhs. Now I have to take 3 months of leave, so no salary in this case. Again you have to go for 9 months, so it will be same, that 3.28 lakhs. So it will be around 6 lakhs 56,000. That is a cadetship period, and time almost we have here 21 months. So total will be 10 years, means 120 months. So that is your cadetship period over, means your honeymoon period is over. Now we have to prepare for the secondment, your course and all. So for that, secondment prep, okay, exam and all, I will deduct 10 months, because foundation course, then your modular course, and exams, retains, whatever for BSc before 2016 or else you know that things, no need to discuss. So 21 plus 10, already 31 months gone. This is basic for every cadet's life, whatever you can say. So now you will become the third mate. So third mate, and here also one condition is there. Some company you have to join as apprentice, trainee, whatever. So even there will be increment after 2 and 3 contracts. Fourth contract you will be get the highest paid as a third mate, means on the certain rank. So I will take as an average salary. Okay, so here you have to go for 6 months. Here also you will get average 3,573. Okay, and into 6, obviously here 3 months gap, again 6 months, same. Okay, 3 months gap, again 6 months, again 3 months gap, and 6 months. Why so? Because at least you have to do 4th contract, so 4 is there. Now this calculation will be same. So this amount will be 15.33 lakhs, means 15 lakhs 33,000. So in this period no salary, again it will be same, no salary, again it will be same, no salary, again it will be same. So 4 times this amount will be 4 times into 4, so it will be around 61 lakhs and 22,000. Okay, so this is the amount. Now we'll go to the next page. Next page we'll go, and from there we'll start our things again. So here we'll calculate the month first, 6, 24, and here 9. means it is around 33 months. 33 and 31. This is the next page. 31, 33 means around 64 months already gone. Now for second mate, you no need to give any orals and all. So now we'll move to the second mates. Again same thing, first joining as second mate will be less, so it will increase definitely. So 3 months with gap obviously will start. Again 6, again 3 off, 6 contract, 3 off, again you will have 6 and 3 off and 6 fourth. Okay, so that is the thing. So 3 months no salary obviously. Now salary will be for second mates around $5,500 into 73 into 6 obviously. So it will be around 24 lakhs, 24.09 lakhs. Okay, means 20 lakhs 9,000. So again we will multiply this with 4 contracts. So around it will be 96 lakhs 36,000. So that is the amount we'll get. And how many months have to calculate? 9, 9, 18, another 9, 27, another 9, 36 months. So we'll add to this 36 months. Means 100 months you're gone. Now come to the chief mate. So chief mate, we will go to the next page or what? Yeah, go for the next page. 100 months already gone. So let's start with the chief mate. Okay, so chief mate, it will take around 1 year or 12 months to clear, because 2 phases you have to clear. So you have only 112, so 100, so only 8 months remaining. So what I will do, what I have decided now, to complete the chief mate contract, at least you have to do 24 months to, means you require 18 months as a chief mate to apply for the master, but as to get promotion you have to at least do 4 contracts. So let's finish it off. Months will be more, but we will finish it off. 4 months, basically chief mate contracts is 4 months, $9,000 73. Another thing I have to tell you, this chief mate you can do in phases, means you can go for sale, there is no restriction, but still I assume that you will do in one shot, means at a stretch. So 3 months break, 4 months, 3 months, again 4 months, again 3 months, and again 4 months. So 4, 3, 7, 7, 7, 14, 25 months. Okay, so this will 25 means 173 months. So I took 1.5 years more than I told you. So okay, so what will be the amount for that? 26 point. Okay, so 4 contracts into 4, this will be around 1 crore 5 lakhs and 12,000. Okay, so that is the amount. Now we'll sum up the things one by one. Okay, so this is the final summary. As a cadet you will do 18 months, 6 lakh 56,000. Then third mate 61 lakh 22,000, 24 months. Second mate again 24 months, 96 lakhs 36,000. Chief mate 24 months. No, sorry, that is a mistake, by the way. Not 24 months, you will do 16 months. Okay, so there is a mistake, sorry. You will do 16 months over here. Okay, so this salary in 16 months. So this is the thing. Total 2 crore 63 lakhs 26,000. It will be your net worth for this period of time. 137 months, just more than you can say 11 and a half year. So you will get, and 47 months means around 4 months you will get your leave, and 90 months you have to sell. If your career is smooth and going like nothing, means no hurdle, nothing is there, then you can complete this very easily, this amount. And if you save wisely, then you can save at least 1.5 crore very easily you can save. If you have your own house already, then obviously you can save this. So that was the video for it. It was very rough calculation, and obviously based on the assumption that your career is in flow, good flow. So if you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and obviously like the video, share, and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.